Hi, this is Shirzad. I just wanted to give you a little tour of what's going on in the garden. So here the lavender is coming in and I am so excited because I'm going to be picking that and it's going to find its way into body scrubs and other Freeline body care products. I'm totally thrilled by the lavender. Here, let me show you again. Beautiful lavender. Coming into, there's some zucchini and kale. Kale is happening right now. The kale actually had seeded itself from a previous growth attempt, and they came back with a vengeance. And here we've got some a couple of different types of cucumber coming in. Celery, that's celery, and Brussels sprouts. Kind of excited about that. This dude is a ruby fig, so it's a smaller fig plant. And we have gala apples coming in. Totally excited about that. Berries for their lovely antioxidating properties. Most of these will find their way into a smoothie. Arugula coming up. They're tiny baby arugulas right now. Calendula flowers coming up. So this is snap peas, chard, and cornucopia of cabbage. I'm actually just trying an experiment here. Basically, the experiment is how much cabbage can you stuff into a bed, and we'll just see what happens with it. It's planted next to pole beans and lettuce, which are coming along nicely, and these little babies are radishes. There's carrots planted in between them, waiting for those guys to come up. The raspberry patch is the raspberry patch. It's amazing how many raspberries come out of this every year. And then here's kind of the herb box. So we've got 3 different types of basil coming in. So there's Thai basil, there's Indian basil, and there's Italian basil. We've got some flat leaf parsley, some oregano, some thyme, and lovely chives. And then next to that we've got some tomatoes coming in. Really excited for the tomatoes. We made a lot of curry base last year, which basically we ended up using for quick meals through the year. Broccolini, we've got one really healthy, happy one and one not so happy one. And here's our indigenous rose. So it's a Nootka rose. So it is native to the Pacific Northwest. I harvested the petals already from the flowers, but here are the rose hips coming in. Totally excited. I'm going to put that into making rosehip infused oils, which go into the face jar. So thanks for joining me for my little garden tour. I'm totally excited about how this experiment is going right now. Looking forward to more vegetables coming in and seeing what I can pickle and preserve this year. And also preparing ingredients to be able to put into various body care products. My goal actually is to eventually start making my own essential oils. And yeah, I know you need a lot of plant material to do that, but hey, it starts with an experiment, right? So thank you for joining me, and see you again next time. If you've got a moment, go check out Freeline Body Care, www.freeline.ca. Take care of yourselves. Be good to you and those you love.